Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a needle top dispensing cap for your thinners or cleaners, really whatever you want to put it on. It's nice because it pretty much eliminates the need for droppers, something like this. So you'll need something to melt the plastic. I'm using a kitchen torch, but you can use a lighter or a candle. Candle's easier than a lighter. You're going to need a dispensing needle. You'll need a syringe, which you can get at a Tractor Supply or order online. Then you're going to need a good chemical resistant adhesive. I'm using JB Quick Weld here. It holds together like half the trucks in the South. It's good stuff. So this is a pretty easy thing to do. We're just going to take the cap from our bottle and we're going to put a hole in the middle of it. You can use a drill or a knife, which is what I'm going to use. Honestly, I was just too lazy to get my drill. And I just wanted to show you can do it with a knife as well. Most of these caps are going to have a seal inside. In this case, it's foam, but it might be plastic. But we want to keep that seal. We're just going to put a hole in the middle of it. Moving on to the next component, we're going to take our syringe and we're going to cut the tip of it off. We don't need the plunger, just the main body. What I'm going to do here is score it where I want to cut. I just got my knife laid on something level to give us a nice clear mark. We're just going to cut along the lines here. Be careful. Once we get that off, we're going to clean up the edges a little and we're ready to move on to the next part. So this is the trickiest part of the whole operation. We've got to take these two pieces and melt the surfaces, and then we're going to stick them together. This is where the kitchen torch really comes in handy. Most of them have a switch where you can keep them on, but again, a candle will also work in this situation. It should go without saying, but be careful. Don't burn yourself, like I do here. As soon as both surfaces are sufficiently gooey, you just stick them together. You'll have a few seconds here to adjust, but the important part is to make sure that the edges have completely melted together. So chances are we've already got a good seal on here, but because the syringe and the cap are different types of plastic, it might be a little weak and could break off. So we're going to ensure that we have a good seal by using our JB Weld. Here I'm going to be using JB Weld. This is the quick type. JB Weld is a two-part epoxy. The quick type takes about 10 minutes to reach a usable hardness. You can get this at any hardware store and most department stores, and it's cheap, works great. I'm just going to take and spread it along the edges where the two plastics meet, and then I'm going to smooth it with my finger just to make sure we have a good seal. Once our JB Weld is cured, we're going to test the cap by placing it on the bottle. Place your finger over the opening, turn it upside down, and squeeze. As you can see, we have no leakage, no seeps, until I got clumsy and got thinner all over the place. And here's the finished product. You can put whatever size needle you wish on your cap. The beautiful thing is that once your thinner bottle is empty, you just take the cap off and transfer it to a new bottle. And as far as covering the needle, I use the stems from plastic Q-tips and just melt the end close. You can also drill a hole in a piece of plastic and cap it with that. I use this same method on acetone bottles from Walmart and refill them with water or alcohol and relabel them. Makes life so much easier. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.